Hey folks, thought you'd like to see what kind of a day this is today. Beautiful, beautiful. I always did like the rainy season. It's always hot in Thailand, so it doesn't make any difference on the heat. But during the rainy season, at least the skies are clear blue with white fluffy clouds and no smog. So people, they come here during the winter months because it's winter back home where they're from, and they think that we're going to some place that's tropical, but we have all this smog, so it's not a good deal to come during the winter months, which is the busy season in Thailand. The best time of the year to come is now during the summer, the rainy season. It doesn't rain every day, and it doesn't rain every day in the same spot, so you can end up with a very, very nice vacation. So I would strongly suggest, if you're going to come to Thailand, do it in the summer months. But anyhow, what today's video is about is I've really been busting it up here in the orchard, working on the mangoes. And if you notice, I've got my cart stacked full of manure and some potting soil and stuff like that. I've got 5 brand new mango trees up there that I thought for sure we would be having a lot more rain than we've been having, and I didn't have to rain them or water them. So what I had to do was go in there and put water lines in like I did with the rest of the mango orchard. So I've got that part done. I've still got 4 more trees from the old trees that I need to run lines to. I've got the canals dug for them, or the trenches dug for it, but I don't know if I'll get those in today or not. I need to do some prep work to these last 5 mango trees we put in, because they didn't like the fact that it didn't rain very much. And we were getting rain, but I thought we were getting more rain than what we were getting. So today I'm going to take you up there and I'm going to do the work with the materials I've got right here. Do a little mowing to clean things up a little bit, and that's what today's video is going to be about. Hope y'all enjoy it, and I'll talk to y'all later. Okay folks, I want to show you how I'm doing this and what I'm doing. If you look at this tree, it doesn't look too good a shape, but it's actually starting to come back around. If you look right here, we got new bud coming out there. We got new bud coming out here. So the tree's savable now. It wasn't. There's a new bud coming out right there too. And I think, but anyhow, the wife had these trees purchased, and the guy that sold them to her told her only dig the hole big enough around so the pot size will fit down in the hole, and don't put any black soil in there and manure or anything like that, because with it being the rainy season, it'll mold and mildew down there and it'll kill your tree. Well, crap, the soil that I got for in here, if you look at this, it looked like good soil, with a little bit of rock in it, which I can live with a little bit of rock in it, okay? But once this stuff got wet, it hard packed like you would not believe, and no water goes past it. If you see, this water's still standing in here, and I put this in there probably 20 minutes ago. But this one's been, I dished it up with a hoe all the way around this tree, and then put manure in here and then some black soil, and then knocked holes in there about 1.5 feet deep with a piece of wrought iron, and then watered it. Okay, the soil was moist down about 4 inches, pretty good. So we are getting water back onto these trees, and if you notice my little doohickeys, and they work really good, by the way. This one here is ready to put water on. I'll show you what I do. I just take the cap off. Okay, the wife, she just turns the valve on and shoots the cap off, and then I turn the water on, and let it soak in real good. And it fills this little trench that I got built around it up. Fills that up, turn the water off. And we'll put the cap back on. The reason these caps are on is these black ants like to build nests up in there. And them little bastards, I hate them things. I don't know why they do that. But this would be the next step, would be to come out here past the roots. And this is not easy to do one-handed. Pound that in there about a foot and a half. Circle it around, take it out. And that gets the water down in there. Lee, you need to get you one of these, okay? It's a little baby. It's hard to tip over, see? Hard to tip over. Not like that wheelbarrow. Anyhow, I gotta finish this and then get the lawnmower out and finish mowing back up in here. I got this all weed-eated yesterday, but I still gotta mow the lawn up in there. Okay, folks, it's time to run the mower. Now, of all the videos I've done, I've never shown you me running the mower. But I've got the Honda HRJ 216. Okay, that's a 21-inch cut, 6 horsepower Honda engine. And the way you can tell this is a genuine Honda is here on the deck, Honda. They've spelt it correctly. Okay, if it's not real and it's not genuine, it probably isn't spelt correctly. So all you people that think your Hyundai is really a Honda, no, it's not. No, it's not really. Okay, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to start this baby. Take it down to the jackrabbit from the turtle. There's a little handle right here. That's the go handle. Alright, you hear that? That's Honda power. Take this lever here, pull it up forward, stick her in 3rd gear. Let's let her rip, see what this baby will do. Oh my goodness, look at that wheelie. Holy cow. How long can we go with it? My guess is it's going to take us all the way to the end. Okay, baby. Folks, we've throttled this baby back to 2nd gear. Maybe we better go back to 1st. All this stuff up here is for another project. Has nothing to do with mowing the lawn. And that's how easy it is. Yeah. Oh my God, who mowed this yard? Oh. Whoever it is must have been using a Honda. Yeah. Let's put that baby in 3rd. See if we can
wheelie our way out of these rocks. Back down to the shop.
Okay, folks, just for giggles, I thought I'd throw this in on the end of the video. We have some friends here in Thailand that have put together a little band and all that stuff. And this is one of their songs, Speedy Gonzalez. So, hope you enjoy it. It's going to take you right to the end of the video.
Shopping with my mama. She needs some enchilada and chili pepper.